After fee payment, My Application tab will be generated, where students can track the status of their application. The eligibility verification approximately takes 15 to 20 working days. Once it is approved, the status will be updated to sent to Eligibility Department. Eligibility Department verifies all the documents. Please note, status of your eligibility letter will also be notified on student's email and WhatsApp number. Once you get eligibility, you can preview provisional eligibility letter. Students needs to upload visa, passport, country ID card according to category. Confirmation is asked whether student wants to change college preference or not. Once students select no, one can't change the value of it. Post that pay the one-time processing fee. User will get two options, that is, user wants to split payment or not. If user select split payment, they will receive two fee receipts, and if they doesn't, they will receive single receipt.